Finally, we have the man on the other end, the one who has always been here. कैसा लग रहा है to sit?
It's a very weird feeling because I'm good at asking questions and taking out information, but I don't know how am I at giving or answering questions. I don't know. It's a very weird feeling. समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या फील करूँ.
कितने लोगों ने फोर्स किया आपको कि आप आज इधर आके बैठो?
Firstly, Kunal, मतलब he's been after my life कि you have to do this. ठीक है, but there have been, I mean, out of the 250 odd people in Red Riders involved, more than 150 people have told me that once you have to answer questions instead of ask. So I have that reputation apparently कि I don't listen to people.
हाँ, अच्छा.
That I'll just बोल दिया तो बोल दिया, but they wanted me to answer questions. I don't know why, but
So we have good questions for you. The first question is, it started like a gully cricket passion project, I would say, and now it's involving all the top-notch clubs of the city. And कैसे ये journey हुआ, like from a very small passion project to this in such a small span of time?
so I'll tell you how it started. Post COVID to 2020, me and my brother-in-law Vipul, we decided that we'll just play cricket. I'll get 10 of my friends, he'll get 10 of his friends, and we'll do it a weekly affair. हर week में we designated Thursday night, 8 to 10, we'll just play for fun. 1 साल 2 साल खेलते रहे, चलता रहा, and it became monotonous. फिर क्या होता है पता है, हाँ ये तो यही है, ये तो यही करेगा, क्या बोरिंग. फिर सडनली एक दिन रात को, and I always emphasize on this while telling this story to many people. So my wife Nupur was telling me something, and as guys do generally, I zoned out. Sorry, I should not have, but I zoned out. मैं सोच रहा हूँ क्या करूँ. Suddenly I dropped in a WhatsApp message on our group that I am having this auction for 3 teams. I need 30 players to say yes. हम लोग व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बन गया था क्रिकेट का बेसिक सा, उसमें 60-70 लोग कुछ थे. मैं वो व्हाट्सएप रात को आई थिंक 11 साढ़े 11 बजे डाल के मैसेज हो गया. इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन आई गॉट अप वी हैड 45 विन्स. वाह. सो विद इन 1 वीक समहाउ, बस क्योंकि एक तो बिजनेस में बोर हो गए थे, मार्केट्स मारवाड़ी है, रोता ही रहते हैं, मार्केट खराब है. So within 1 week I arranged the auction, I arranged the paddle, सब कुछ होके एक छोटा सा auction कर लिया, and that tournament we had for 1 month. Wow. अब सबको चार्ट लग गया. No one wants to play weekly cricket. अब बोरिंग हो गया.
अब टूर्नामेंट्स
खेलना है. करते last indoor tournament that Red Riders Club hosted was with 9 teams and 110 players. And we had to say no to many people क्योंकि जगह नहीं बचा था. We had to say sorry. मतलब that's how the journey started. And now with बस यही है कि जैसे I was telling you, मैं बहुत बार सोचता हूँ कि मैं कर क्यों रहा हूँ. What's in it for me? But I realize that question is moot. I want to do it. I just love doing this. करते now we have evolved. हम लोग का इंडोर प्रीमियर लीग, पिकलबॉल लीग, darts league, 10-pin bowling league, OPL which is the outdoor premier league, Riders Cup एक हो चुका है हिंदुस्तान क्लब गेम्स, and this time Riders Cup is huge with all the amazing clubs, and thanks to all the clubs for honoring us with their presence.
So I think it's a 2-year-old club, 3-year-old club.
Legally 2 years old. Conceptually 4 years old.
Okay, so legally 2 years old club, and you have reached to a level where you are organizing an inter-club tournament, intra-club tournament. How did you think of this idea? And क्योंकि यार 1000 clubs है, ऐसे नहीं ना, there's so many clubs out there. To reach at a level where you're competing with the top clubs of the city, what was that mindset like, and how did it happen? Like, how did you reach that level so soon?
So the mindset mainly, it was कि अब Red Raiders Club had so many members.
Hmm.
Everyone had got a taste of the big scenario. एक होता ना big leagues. But अब सबको ये लग रहा था कि ये तो अपना internal हो गया. मेरे को भी लग रहा है यार internal तो we have making it big, larger than life show चल रहा है. But यार दूसरे क्लब से compete करके तो देखो.
हाँ राइट.
Where do we stand? Do we have any standing? आज मैं अपने में बैठ के I can be like हाँ मैं इतना बड़ा हूँ या I'm doing this, I'm doing that. That doesn't matter. Let's go into the world and see. And touch wood, by God's grace, we could manage this. I mean, club saying yes to us. We are a club without any premises. We don't have a physical building. Correct. It's just a club. We are a group of people who have the same love and passion for sports and just being together. And clubs such as RCGC, BRC, Punjab Club, Hindustan Club, Shahid C saying yes and honoring us with their presence and playing against us. Now we'll see where we stand. Putting Red Raiders Club with them. This is what. And this vision was not कि हम first day सोचा था. It evolved over time. कि अब ये कर लिया, अब next is what? अब next is what?
I've also always seen now that you're always ready to do something really big very soon. और हर 3 महीना में आपका विजन और बड़ा होते रहता है. It as it see. So बहुत लोगों को क्या होता है आज इधर कल उधर कल उधर. Your is like इधर 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 इधर.
Okay.
So whom do you want to give credit to for this?
Firstly, I don't know if I think like that. मतलब I'm hearing it for the first time. I don't realize.
All the members think that way. We are sure of it.
Okay. So I'll tell you the first thing is genuinely जो support मेरी family करती है. It is unimaginable. मतलब I know it's a cliche. It is not for me at least. मतलब मेरा फैक्ट्री है, ऑफिस है. I'm like, Dad, I'm leaving. I have to be. He's like, हाँ जाओ. It's okay. Well, as long as you handle your work, who cares? अंत में डैड ही बोलते तुम ओनर है ना. You own this business, right? You're not an employee. Do what you want as long as you carry out your work. हाँ ठीक है, thank you. I mean, that is a big push. Second, my wife. I mean, she owns Gamerhead. She's a big brand. She's an amazing person herself. The way she does things is just taken Calcutta by storm and it's amazing. True. वो inspiration और वो जो help करती है. मतलब even organizing this, there are many things that I'm like, यार Nupur यहाँ stuck. I'm stuck. What do I do? Where do I go? Hey, yes. And that's like at the drop of a hat. And the best person is my 6-year-old son. Yug. Every time I enter home, पापा आज क्या हुआ? पापा आज कौन सा टीम जीता? पापा आप किस टीम में गए? ऑक्शन कैसा था? Who bought you? Who bought कुणाल चाचू? वो इस टीम में क्यों नहीं गए? अरे वो टीम तो ऐसा अच्छा है. तब you imagine you enter home and your son is throwing questions at you like this and you feeling so nice कि यार he is excited about what you're doing.
Right.
So that is a big push.
So you're getting the main fuel from.
हाँ, he is like पापा आज ये क्यों नहीं कर रहे? वो एक दिन ऑक्शन में there was something, one of the auctions something happened. He had come. पापा वो नहीं था आज. क्यों नहीं था? होना चाहिए. हाँ, perfect. So that's brilliant.
So you love cricket or you love people more?
Okay. So I really love hanging out with people who are like-minded over something. It can be cricket. It can be
Daru.
A meal. Daru maybe. Or even a smoke. A simple 5-minute smoke. And apart from that, cricket is first love, of course. For most of the boys in India, I mean, I've been playing cricket since school, university, ये वो. So cricket is love. So अब इसमें क्या दोनों चीज join होता है तो it just brings out.
As a kid, every Indian has this सपना ना that मेरे को बड़ा होके एक बार क्रिकेटर बना ले. I'm sure कम से कम 1000 nights we have slept dreaming कि वर्ल्ड कप में हम बैटिंग कर रहे थे.
वो धोनी वाला छक्का हम मारा.
And you know, And I've always had this dream where I'm batting 6 बॉल में 6 छक्का फर्स्ट ओवर.
हाँ,
ऐसा ड्रीम हम सब ने देखा है. And bowling में 6 wickets in a over. And literally we have dreamt a life where we've played each and every ball of a
हाँ, मतलब
national match.
300 balls, 1800 runs, ये रात पूरा चला है, हमेशा चला है.
चला है मेरा run rate and everything. So now obviously only 11 players can play. So everyone can't be a part of it, of course. So why do you think everyone here is playing? Because उनका सपना कहीं पूरा हो रहा है.
So I'll tell you the core essence of our club. जब we started this club, when we got legally registered, 5 of us and our mentor Aman Bhaiya, the committee 5, and we sat down and we thought about one thing. इसका core value क्या होगा club का? And we were very clear. Core value is, it doesn't matter whether you are a very good player, an amazing player, or okay player, or you don't know how to play. It doesn't matter. We as a club will never tell anyone कि तुम ये अच्छा क्यों नहीं खेले, तुम नहीं. We just want people to come together and share your love for cricket or for any sport. And that is the core value that we have stuck to.
Nice.
As a rule, I mean, anyone who wants to get into Red Riders Club has to go through a major screening process.
Which is?
Firstly, we get to know from their friends and family how are they. क्योंकि no one can just come up to the club and say I want to enter. They have to be referred.
अच्छा.
By one of the members or guests or the known person. Then interview होता है.
हाँ. क्या होता है इंटरव्यू में?
इंटरव्यू बोलने में अच्छा लगता है कि इंटरव्यू लेते हैं. But interview is just having a casual beer over coffee. You get to know a person much better over a casual conversation rather than an interview.
So it's like it's a vibe check basically.
It's a vibe check.
Vibe check.
And then फिर जब कमिटी हाँ कर दिया, हाँ वो कर दिया, then I stand up and I say now the decision is only mine. This is a very wrong thing to do. Maybe at some level.
थोड़ा सा चलता है.
At some level. मैं खड़ा, अब decision मैं लूँगा, ये बंदा आएगा कि नहीं. That's how you get to be a part of.
So nobody can take पंगा from you in the club. अरे इसीलिए लोग इतना तैयार है. ये आपको लग रहा है it's a love and all. हाँ, you know it's not.
मेरा इमेज है कि ये कभी भी किसी को भी बोल देता है और चुप करा देता है. I do that at times. It's wrong on any level.
I have a clip of yours shout.
Really?
हाँ.
Shouting.
Silver String में जो मैच था, we'll play that video. You can see it on the screen. So you are very angry, you're shouting. 30 seconds you are shade. Next you're like, अरे seriously, and like, bro, who's this guy? In 30 seconds well, there was some panga in the match.
So one thing, there are some things that really trigger me. Like on the field, bad language.
Achha.
I can't take it. I have too much respect for the game and the pitch and the field. I just can't take it. Even if somebody throws a bat, जैसे कोई आउट हुआ, गुस्सा में बैट फेंका, उसका गुस्सा छोड़ो, हम उसको पेन देता है. You respect that. I cannot take.
गालीज तो अलाउड है.
गालीज बेसिक आपस में चलता है, बट अंपायर को गाली, I can't stand it.
It's no disrespect to the game.
No disrespect to the game. The game is bigger than anyone. So that is one thing. एकदम. और उस समय वो ट्रिगर जब होता है, then you don't know what I turn in.
Pushpa.
But yeah, that happens.
What has been your Pushpa moment? Pushpa झुकेगा नहीं.
Really? Okay.
During a match, if you do.
There have been quite a few things. बहुत बार हुआ है. And there have been times when after that moment, I have realized that I was wrong. Why? When I'm saying it out. But I was like, it doesn't matter if I'm right or wrong now. It's about the principle. अब तो नहीं. ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है कि कोई आके कुछ बोला ये तो होना ही चाहिए, हम बोला जब होना ही चाहिए वाला बात आ गया तब तो नहीं, अब देखते हैं कौन क्या कर सकता है. सो दैट ट्रिगर इज देयर कि अब देखते हैं कौन क्या कर लेगा. नाउ आई विल स्टैंड.
You have a sweet spot for a ego. Do you think you have a sweet ego when it
कहीं ना कहीं ईगो आ जाता है.
yeah, अच्छी बात है. What do you think?
Both. There are times when you need it, there are times when you don't need it. Like जब मेरा बहुत ज्यादा ईगो ट्रिगर होता है, in the club there are two people who actually calm me down and makes me understand the situation, because that time I am of the view कि अब हम बोल रहे ये होना ही है and I am not ready to listen, and then my volume is also 100. वो भी एक इशू है, मतलब गला में आवाज है, वॉल्यूम इज 100. एंड तब कुणाल एंड अमन भैया, they come and explain शांति से. Those are two people whom I listen to, genuinely listen to. वरना नहीं सुनता है जनरली किसी का. So they calm me down. And then that, you know, काम करके ये situation ऐसे handle हो सकता है. हाँ ठीक है.
And finally, the man is here. So you have a good fan following in your club. That is for sure. Outside as well.
अच्छा, really?
And because you've given in days and nights and hours and every second of the last few months, खासकर to this big poster out there, Riders Cup. Which team is gonna win?
Red Riders, of course.
सच्ची बताओ, like सच्ची. अच्छा, let me put. हाँ. Which is the strongest team?
Honestly, what I've heard, what I've seen, I think Punjab club has a really strong team, and genuinely people are not scared, I would say, but they're really mindful because they play really good cricket. And one more club which has consistently been considered underdogs, but somehow they perform very well, is Hindustan club. It's unimaginable the way they play on the field. ऐसे देखोगे तो लगेगा ये जीत ही नहीं सकती है टीम, but on the field there are different people, एक different unit बन के आते हैं. It's brilliant the way they do things.
And what are your hopes from this season?
So this season, I honestly, the whole reason why we are doing this and getting this done is to create possibly like a marquee event for all amateur cricketers in Calcutta. कि सारा क्रिकेट कन्वर्ज होके राइडर्स कप में है. Everyone should want to play Riders Cup. I want to create that vibe. So I always say that cricket becomes 50% of it. Riders Cup है as a whole unit. If you see, cricket is 50%. बाकी 50% is the vibe.
That vibe is, you know, that crowd, that cheer, crowd होना चाहिए. Grandeur, that scenes, that grandeur हो, that auction, that
या वहाँ पे I'll tell you the basic चीज vibe का कुछ नहीं है. एक अच्छा सा खाने का स्प्रेड हो, मारवाड़ी खाने का स्प्रेड हो, एंड सब साथ में खाना खा रहे हैं. फील्ड पे गाली गलोच हुआ, झमेला हुआ, झगड़ा हुआ, वट एवर हैपेंड, जैसी फील्ड से स्टेप आउट किए, साथ में खाना खा रहे, चिल कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे, बगल में बैठ के आराम से सोफा पे बैठ के सिगरेट पी रहे साथ. वही बहुत है. दैट वाइब शुड बी देयर. दैट्स 50% ऑफ द होल थिंग. वो वाइब क्रिएट करना.
So I had, like, I do poetry, had written a line. उसमें यही था, a very line which hit hearts was, बचपन के ऊपर था. तो the line was, क्रिकेट के बैट को पकड़े अरसा हो गया. And when I saw Red Riders and I saw so many clubs playing, I'm like, and if I'll just share that poem with you, it's all about, all our childhood is a lot to do with cricket, especially us Indians. क्रिकेट मतलब 4 घंटे के लिए सुबह 4 बजे नींद से उठ के वी बॉल
खेलने जा रहे हैं, तो अभी तक जा रहे हैं.
It's there in our genes, मतलब it's there in our mental clock. Cricket is there within us. So people after the age of 20, 25 still being a part of this thing is a tremendous achievement. It's a tremendous satisfaction.
It is. I mean, I can't tell you.
It is like माँ का झप्पी. It is exactly माँ की झप्पी, which I think everyone from the club is getting, which you are helping everyone to come back to that childhood. So I told you in this cup,
how many a night I think हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, and that is the answer.
It is the chappi.
It is this that. And you're saying 20-25. Average age is 35. जैसे हम लोग का. I'm 36. The people who are 40, the people who are 45, the people who are 50 were still playing with us. सुबह 5 बजे उठ के खेलने आ जाएंगे. बोलना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. They're there. So that is something that is amazing.
Thank you so much, Harsh. Like, genuinely,
Thank you.
genuinely for us and to all the Gen Zs out there watching, to all the youngsters out there watching, to you who's watching, please stay away from your phone. सुबह 4 बजे निकलो, साइकिल में, अब साइकिल नहीं, कार में जब आप मैदान खोजो. ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्डिंग के नीचे मैदान मिलेगा, बट दैट फील ऑफ क्रिकेट, बी इट गली क्रिकेट, रूफ क्रिकेट, इंडोर क्रिकेट, टर्फ क्रिकेट और मैदान क्रिकेट, वो एक इमोशन है which
Just hold the bat or the ball in your hand. Just do that.
एंड वो जब आप खराब प्लेयर हो के जब आप पहली बार छक्का मारोगे ना, फिर घर भाग के आके बोलोगे पापा मैंने आज छक्का मारा है.
वो हफ्ते भर वो ड्रीम्स में आएगा कि यार ये शॉट मारा था.
सो ब्रेकअप्स, सिचुएशनशिप, कॉम्प्लिकेशनशिप सब खत्म हो जाएगा
हाँ
जनरली.
कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा.
हाँ, बिकॉज आपकी ध्यान तो वो 6 के ऊपर था या आउट की हुए. चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच भैया.
Thank you, Sahil. Thank you for this.
It was amazing.